I'm a Libra. I need 48 hours to feel the pain that we're feeling. Hey, y'all. We're in real time. I'm at my parents' house right now in my old room. Don't ask me why I still have stuff here. Like, I gotta bring some boxes here. I'm probably try to do it next week because my little sister wants to move into my old room, so I gotta clear the space out for her. Only reason why I didn't really clear it out is because my daughter comes here and she stays here, a couple of days out the week because she has summer school, and her summer school, and her school is belong to this district, so she'll be able to take the bus and stuff like that, and we don't have to wake up as early for me to drive her across the bridge because her school's in Beacon. I live in Newburgh. You have to go across the Newburgh Beacon Bridge and pay a toll, and she has to be to school at 7:30. That means we would have to wake up at like 5:30, and it don't take that long to get here, but yeah, so that's why I didn't move all my stuff. But it's a mess, y'all. It's a freaking mess. Yesterday was a hard day for me. I don't really want to go into detail. It's some things that I actually want to keep private, but yesterday was a hard day for me. Today is actually a hard day part 2. But I'm still showing up and I'm posting, and I'm just trying my hardest to not let anything stop me from posting every day until I quit my job, because we still gonna quit our job. We still quitting our job. So yeah, I've been in a bad state. Like I said, I don't want to go into detail, but my mom and my sister actually came and picked me up from my house last night, and because I was that much in a bad state, like I literally bought 2 big ass bottles of Buzz Balls. I bought the lemonade one and the margarita one, and I bought 2 big ass things. I almost finished the lemonade, the big Buzz Balls, like the big ones. But yeah, and I was just going through it, and I was laying down in bed, and I just saw my door open, and it was my daughter. Mind you, my daughter, she's staying with my parents, so she go to summer school. So she finished up summer school. But I was just like, wow. So I definitely needed that. I definitely needed that. They showed up for me. So yeah, I'm just, like I said, maybe down the line when I feel comfortable, I'll talk about it, but I'm just trying to stay strong. I'm strong. I'm staying strong. And it's not like, I'm just looking at the positive of certain things, and it has nothing to do with my man or nothing like that, because I know how people like to run and be like, It has nothing to do with that. It's other things that I don't feel comfortable talking about right now. So yeah, right now I'm just trying to see what things that I can pick up from here. I really want to wait until I just get my boxes, because I do have some boxes from when we moved the first time, and I didn't throw them away. Like, always, when you move, always keep your boxes. If you have storage or if you have a closet, like a linen closet, whatever, keep your boxes, because you just never know. So I have to come back with some boxes so I can take the rest of this stuff. Look at this. Like, this is crazy. And my son drew on a damn wall. Those are his drawings. He's crazy. But yeah, it's just like, it's just clothes more than anything. I'm ready to just put these clothes in Goodwill. Cause why so many damn clothes? Especially if I keep buying clothes. So yeah, I still have to wash clothes. I didn't even go food shopping. I was supposed to work overtime yesterday, and I didn't even call out. I just got my buzz balls, started taking it to the head, and got in my mode, and I said, fuck work. Fuck these mandatory days that they be trying to give people. Like, no, I got shit to do. Like, but I was gonna go until, I got some bad news or whatever. So yeah, yesterday was a day, and I'm kind of recovering from today. This is exactly why I don't drink. Like, I didn't need to drink that much, for real. I was just drinking and drinking and drinking. We not making that a habit. We are not no damn alcoholics. I don't even know why I did that. Like, but yeah, so now I just got to think about the directory of my life now. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about that later. But like right now, I'm still at my parents' house. It is, what time is it? It's like 4 something. So I'm waiting for my mom to, get settled, because she just came in from work. So I'm waiting for her to get settled, and then she'll take me back home. And then, I mean, I'm going to stay in the house. This vlog, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just not in the right mind state. Maybe tomorrow's vlog will be better. But I'm not going to be doing shit today. I took out some sausage last night, some hot sausage. So I'll probably, just make some sausage, eggs, and some rice, and like clean up a little bit. But I'm not doing no laundry today. I'm not going to nobody's store. I actually just want to sit. Yesterday was bad. This day is still bad, but it's, it's not as bad as it was yesterday. So I'm going to sit and sulk, and I'm giving myself 48 hours. So yesterday, 24, today. So I'm giving myself 48 hours to feel what I'm feeling. And then tomorrow we back to laundry, cooking, and growing grocery shopping. So I'm a Libra. We need 48 hours to feel the pain that we're feeling, and then we'll get back to ourselves. So yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. I don't really have anything to post. But I'm still showing up, and thank you guys for supporting me. Posting every day until I could quit my damn job, 365. So yeah, now we really in full effect, because I'll talk about it later.